Hi guys, System Skynet gave me his little quadcopter and it's got a problem. It doesn't work. It seems to be eating batteries. It flies for about 20 or 30 seconds. It's supposed to do 5 minutes, but it's certainly not doing anything like 5 minutes. I've tried 3 different types of battery in it, well, 3 different batteries in it, and get the same problem each time. So I've no idea what's wrong with it. I will try and stitch together the videos I've put together trying to fly it using the different batteries. So this video will probably be over long because it'll be bits and pieces. But if anybody's got any ideas what's wrong with it, let me know. Right guys, I want to try out this little DWi drone that I've been given. The only thing is it gets very hot where my thumb is, so I'm a bit worried about it. I've given it a couple of tries. It flies for a couple of seconds and then it drops to the ground. I did wonder whether it's something to do with needing the Wi-Fi connection set up. You can probably see yeah, there we are. We've got cameras on there. Don't know if you can see that. It's got image stabilization on it. That's rather good. But it didn't fly. Let's try it again. On. That was one of the start modes. Right, we've started. No. Alright, I'll just press the stop button. We'll try that again. I think what happened there was whatever the word is, got it to stabilise itself in the wrong the words have all gone now because I'm confused. That button down there should set the gyro. Oh, hang on. Is it because I got the... I reckon it's being controlled through this. Through the phone. That's what that is. But it was actually flying better this time. Right, let's go back to here. No connection. Right, we don't want to know about that. So cancel that. Right. What we want is we want to stop this thing trying to control it. What does that do? No, I have to read the instructions, aren't I? Oh, off. More. We don't want any of that. Oh, I hate it when I have to go and read instructions when it's not obvious. Oh, that's what it was doing before. Just dying on me. This is just confusing thing of having the FPV mode. Hi guys, we can have yet another go at flying this drone. I've got the original battery in it again. Going to follow the instructions. Power on drone first. Oh, there's 3 different ways of starting it up. There are 3 startup steps. Okay, so power on drone. Then long press controller power button. Control. Okay. Fully raise throttle joystick. Then fully lower it. After that, signal connection is complete. The lights of the drone stop blinking. Press and hold the switch to stay for 1 second and power will start. And we're in full power and we're dropping again, and we got that slow flash. And that's freshly charged, that battery. I've got a Hubsan battery that should fit, so we'll try that. Right, this is not the Hubsan battery, it's another little battery that I've got handy, so we'll just give that a try. It's actually slightly smaller and lighter. So on, okay. Alright, that little battery didn't even last as long as the other one. Right, that's it. Well, if anybody's got any experience with these DWi drones and them dropping out of the sky and using the battery up instantly, I'll be pleased to hear from you. Because, well, I'm going to have to take it apart and have a look inside, but I doubt whether there'll be anything visible that we can see. I'm guessing there's something overheating on the control board, and that's shutting it down. Right, this is the Hubsan battery in here. See how long this lasts. It's supposed to hover if you leave it, and it's not. It's losing power again. I'm on full throttle. Yeah. Clearly it's not a happy bunny. There's something basically not right with it. We've tried 3 different batteries. We've tried the 3 different methods of launching it or starting it up. That's it. That's your lot. So, if anybody's got experience with these, what are they? DWIs. If you've got any experience of them, and if you found a fix to stop them falling out of the sky and using up the battery so quickly, I would love to see that in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.